I'm here at the Syracuse Maker Faire, first annual, with my in-laws, and we are printing a toy table chair, another one, and it's about 3 hours in right now. I'll show you guys some other cool stuff at the show. Here's another large format 3D printer here using filament. Really cool. Really cool. The printer's actually at home, but the stuff printed here is really neat. Check out this Eiffel Tower.
Or you can buy it from Banggood in China, and you get the kit.
Dragon.
And then you can't build it because you don't have the
Octopus. Look at this. Look at this. Wow. Swords. Here's the machine. Amazing stuff. Amazing stuff here. Look at that litho vein. Thanks, Doug.
Yeah, of course.
Cool, cool. I'm over here at this booth here. The guy made a custom 3D printer with Clipper and the Voron head. And check it out.
That's why I had to position back. I'm like,
whoa. All right, we're getting to the end of this print. This is quite the show here. Thanks for watching, everybody.